Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. Now, if you've got a leak at the front of your washing machine or at the bottom, the chances are it could be the detergent drawer housing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change that. Now, first things first, you need to make sure you've got the correct detergent drawer housing for your machine, and for that, you'll need your exact model number. This can be found inside the door on a silver rating plate. As you can see, model WM122225FD. Always make sure you unplug the appliance before carrying out any work. To get to the detergent drawer housing, what I'm going to need to do is to remove the detergent drawer itself using this quick release mechanism. And then I have to remove the whole control panel at the front and the top. Let's start by taking the top off. Then just pull the top back and lift off. Then I need to remove these two Phillips head screws here and two clips at the back. Now to release these clips, just use a screwdriver or blunt instrument just to pop them out. Now, to remove the detergent drawer housing, I need to first remove these 5 hoses with their Jubilee clips. Once we've removed our hoses, we can now slide the detergent drawer housing out and gain access to the last Phillips screw head underneath. Once that's loosened, simply remove your old detergent drawer housing and pop your new one back into place. Once it's all back into place, all that's left is to put it back together again. So, that's one detergent drawer housing fitted for this LG washing machine. Now, if you need to fit a detergent drawer housing to your machine, you can find it on the eSpares.co.uk website. Thanks for watching.